We've been in the business of recycling for decades now, and we're really happy that we get to divert nearly 225,000 cubic metres of timber and tonnes of steel from landfill. Our recycling process here involves residents or businesses coming in to drop off their old timber pallets, and we grind them up and turn them into mulch. Most of the product at the end of the grinding process will be our mulch, and that gets used for embankments on sides of freeways. It can be used for garden beds also. And with our steel, which is mostly nails and screws, gets put in a separate bin, and that gets picked up by a recycling company. So instead of it sitting in the ground and decomposting that way, we end up grinding it up, recycling it and sending it back out. I think we have a huge impact on the environment, and we're really excited to continue to divert timber and steel from landfill and looking forward to a greener future.